Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Arm & Hammer Nasal Spray is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items in our daily wellness routines, offering a simple yet incredibly effective solution for nasal congestion and dryness, making it a must-have for anyone seeking immediate relief and improved breathing comfort, especially during allergy season or when battling a cold, ensuring you can navigate your day with ease and clarity. Number 5. Arm & Hammer Simply Saline Daily Mist 4.5 ounces. Are you tired of everyday congestion? Introducing a gentle mist designed for your daily nasal care routine. Experience instant relief when you need it most. This is the Simply Saline Nasal Care Daily Mist. It's formulated to provide soothing relief from nasal discomfort. Keep your nasal passages clear and comfortable every day. Get fast-acting relief from nasal congestion with this convenient mist. It's perfect for daily use, helping you breathe easier throughout the day. Feel the difference immediately. Our formula is gentle yet effective, providing the relief you need without irritation. It's designed for your everyday nasal health. Trust in its soothing power. This package includes one 4.5-ounce bottle of our daily mist. It's the perfect size for your home or to take on the go. Ensure you always have relief within reach. What we like. For everyday relief, this is a great choice. It offers a gentle mist that is perfect for daily use. If you are looking for a non-medicated option to keep your nasal passages clear, this is the one for you. What people say. It is a good saline nasal spray. It works well to clear nasal congestion. Number 4. Frida Baby Cold and Flu Saline Kit. Introducing the Frida Baby Cold and Flu Saline Kit, your ultimate solution for your baby's nasal congestion. This comprehensive set is designed to provide relief and comfort when your little one needs it most. This 12-piece set includes the essential Nose Frida Nasal Aspirator, a gentle yet effective way to clear nasal passages. It's designed for safe and easy use, ensuring your baby can breathe easier. The kit also features a saline nasal spray, formulated to help loosen mucus and soothe irritated nasal passages. Its gentle formula is perfect for infants and toddlers. We've included 10 extra hygiene filters to ensure maximum cleanliness with every use. These filters prevent mucus from entering the aspirator, maintaining a hygienic experience for you and your baby. When cold and flu symptoms strike, this kit offers fast and effective relief. It's designed to help your baby feel better quickly, so you can both get back to enjoying your day. Join countless parents who trust Frida Baby for their children's health and wellness needs. This kit is a must-have for any nursery, providing peace of mind during challenging times. What we like. This is the ultimate solution for parents dealing with a sick baby. It comes with everything you need, including a nasal aspirator and saline spray. If you have an infant or toddler suffering from cold and flu symptoms, this comprehensive set is a must-have. What people say. It is a good product for nasal congestion. The spray is very fine and does not irritate the nasal passages. It helps to clear out the nasal passages effectively. Number 3. Arm & Hammer Simply Saline Nighttime Nasal Mist 4.6 ounces. Are you suffering from severe nasal congestion? This product offers instant relief when you need it most. Breathe easier at night with this gentle mist. It's designed to help you find comfort and rest. Our simple saline formula is effective yet soothing. It helps to clear your nasal passages naturally. This convenient 4.6-ounce bottle provides ample supply for your needs. Get the relief you deserve. Trust in the quality of Arm & Hammer. This nasal mist is a reliable solution for congestion. What we like. When nighttime congestion strikes, this is your go-to. Its extra-strength formula is designed for severe stuffiness. If you're struggling with blocked nasal passages at night and need powerful, non-drowsy relief, this product will help you breathe easier. What people say. It is a good product for nasal congestion. This product is very effective for nasal dryness. Number 2. Simply Saline Extra Strength Nasal Mist. Experience powerful relief from severe nasal congestion. This extra strength formula is designed to help you breathe easier. Made with just purified water, salt, and baking soda, it offers a natural yet effective solution. It's a drug-free option you can feel good about. Say goodbye to uncomfortable sinus pressure. This mist helps to clear nasal blockages, providing much-needed relief. It effectively alleviates stuffy noses and flushes out irritants. You can use it as often as needed, day or night. This sterile nasal spray is non-drowsy and safe for frequent use. It's recommended by doctors to use alongside other medications. As the #1 Saline nasal spray brand, you can trust its effectiveness. It's part of the reliable Arm & Hammer family. What we like? Stock up and save with this extra strength option. It's formulated to tackle severe congestion effectively. If you frequently deal with significant nasal blockages and want a cost-effective, powerful solution, this 3-pack is an excellent value. What people say. It is a good product that works well. It is a good product that works well. Number 1. BEEKEEPER'S Naturals Propolis Nasal Spray. Introducing a revolutionary nasal spray designed for adults. It's crafted with natural ingredients to help you breathe freely. Tired of nasal congestion? This powerful formula works quickly to clear your airways, providing instant relief. Experience soothing hydration for your sinus canals. It effectively moisturizes, bringing comfort to your nasal passages. Say goodbye to sinus pressure. It helps decongest your sinus cavities, promoting a feeling of openness. Formulated with propolis, xylitol, and saline, it offers a natural yet potent solution for your nasal health. Make it a part of your daily routine for optimal nasal wellness. Enjoy clear breathing and comfortable sinuses every day. What we like? Experience a natural approach to nasal care with this unique blend. It combines propolis and xylitol for effective clearing and moisturizing. If you prefer natural ingredients and are looking for a spray that not only decongests but also hydrates your sinus passages, this is a fantastic option. What people say. It is a good product. It works well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.